My family's about to be here. I'm gonna go outside to meet them. Are you excited, guys? We're having visitors. Where are you? There you are. We're gonna have some visitors. Let's go. Hola.
Oh gosh,
Yeah, you're a bad parker. Hello! That's a little dramatic. Okay. That's hot. Okay, dramatic. So, we came to Fort Worth to try to see the cattle drive, but it's a little too rainy for that. Ain't gonna be no cattle drive today, I don't think. So, we had to run into a store because there was like a tornado starting like in the sky above us. Oh man, it's been a crazy day. Dakota's here. Got ya! Matt's here. We're just waiting for slowpokes inside. Don't know what they're doing. Nope, nope, nope. Hello, Dakota. Hello, Terry.
why are you vlogging?
Because I vlog.
Yeah.
What is this? I don't know what it is.
No, this is coming.
Don't, you can't open it. Put it back. Look, they have dream catchers. What? Oh my gosh, that's so much candy. Are you having fun up there? Do you like it up there? He doesn't like me. I don't know. Why does he never talk to me?
Do you like it up there? Huh?
He's kind of scared, I guess.
I got his hand.
You having fun?
Yeah, tons of fun. Waiting around.
You must have been over in Dallas. Is anybody here from Dallas? All right, we'll talk slower. Give me the telegram. Telegram. Really important. Very important telegram. Western Union, very important. Signs like this, I'm going to go to the mother and that old girl.
Come down here. Come down here.
Maybe lift him up.
Alright, come on, you gotta sit down. Okay, let's go at the house. Oh no, you're fine. It'll be 2 seconds.
Oh, he's having, he's having a
And then he has to climb down and go see the other cow.
Okay. He's having a spot.
Look at that one laying down. You want to go see him closer? Alright, let's go down the stairs. Alright, come here. See him? Right here. Oh, let's come over here. Stand up there. Right. You want to be down here?
Yeah. I need it up.
You see him? You see him? Laying down?
Cow. Little cow. Here he comes. Here we come.
Ah, you need to blow your nose.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go blow your nose. Get in, push. Get in. No, get in. No, this way. And push. Keep coming. You can't get out. Keep coming this way. Terry, come on.
You're gonna get stuck.
Push. Alright, now let's go blow your nose.
Whoops. I'm coming. Thank you.
Alright, you might be able to see a couple more.
What are they doing?
Eating the food.
Eating their food. I'm hungry. You want to do it?
Yeah, here.
I got you, Terry.
Oh, it's already going. Take your hand. So here, hold it. We'll hold it like this. There you go. How does everyone like their ramen? Good? You like it?
Good.
Do you like your ramen, Terry? Yeah?
It's a different. He's vlogging, Megan.
Yeah.
Yes, because she has the vlog.
He's vlogging me with Terry.
It's very cute. Okay?
I think he'll do pretty damn good.
I think so as well.
He's doing great.
Yeah.
Down where the water's at. Hold on, Terry. Hold on, Terry. Where you going? Where you going?
We came to the water gardens. Terry's excited. Oh, we just ate ramen. I'm so freaking full. Oh, it was really good though. This vlog is all over the place. Oh, here's Dakota. We're going down.